Hello everyone, welcome back. Spirit here. We are here at the Yellowwood State Forest in Indiana. This will be my first time here. I'm here to meet some YouTubers. We've got Ambo House, we've got Nicole Hikes a Lot and Tim Eats a Lot. We've got DMS Adventures. So lots of fun to be had on this trip. So come along and see what we get into. Okay, getting all set up, and for now it is me and Ambo House. Okay. Perfect.
It's just like you're cutting cake.
Or pizza.
Or pizza, you just go.
Yum. Oh, you hear that crunch?
And then you do that.
Yum. Oh my gosh, that's so amazing. Oh, that looks so good.
There we go.
Thank
I should
you.
have gave her the second helping when it's easier to get out.
On
Sunday you can attend.
It was. I didn't expect the water to be everywhere this morning on my chair. And
It was everywhere, wasn't it? And look what it did to his hair.
yeah,
all
the frizz.
Oh yeah?
They didn't. I don't think they realized that I said combo.
I don't know how you would have. You said.
Are you gonna eat all the chips? Making some hobos. Like some fruit salad and some hobos for dinner. It was delicious.
And they sell them at Walmart.
How much was it again?
Like $150. I don't know how much a year.
Tony and Ashley is showing me around the campground. There's really nice shaded campsites. Most all of them are good for tents. So we're down at the end of the campground. This is nice. And the lake is right here. Behind the trees. You probably can't see it in the video right now, but I'm going to show you in a second. So I have a leak in my tire. There's enough air in it to get to a gas station, but we're all packed up here and ready to go. It won't be very far for me to put air in it. So, all right, so I am all packed up, ready to go. Ambo House is about ready to pack out too. And we're gonna go get air in my tire and head home. So thanks for coming along, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you later.